Every firewall, every password, and every encryption algorithm ever built rests on exactly 3 letters. They hold the entire foundation of cybersecurity. This is the CIA Triad: confidentiality, integrity, and availability. These principles serve as the framework for every security measure. But the system is fragile, like a 3-legged stool. If an attacker breaks even one leg, the entire structure fails. To defend a network, we first have to understand the specific role of each pillar. Confidentiality is the principle of keeping secrets isolated, ensuring that only authorized individuals can access specific data. Take a look at this mobile banking screen. When you log in, you expect to see your account balance, and you expect the person sitting next to you in a cafe to see nothing at all. Threats to this secrecy aren't always digital. Shoulder surfing occurs when an unauthorized person simply watches you type your PIN at an ATM or look at your phone in public. Then we have integrity. This is a requirement that data remains accurate, complete, and unaltered by unauthorized parties. If you transfer 10,000 rupees out of a 100,000 rupee account, the record must show exactly 90,000. If malicious code intercepts that transfer and deletes a 0, the data is no longer accurate. The integrity is gone. Analysts enforce this accuracy using tools like digital signatures and hashing algorithms, functions that create a unique digital fingerprint for a file, so you can verify if even a single byte has been tampered with. In healthcare, these records are critical. Looking at this patient database, if an attacker modifies a blood type or a dosage by just 1 digit, the result can be fatal. In short, confidentiality prevents unauthorized viewing. Integrity prevents unauthorized changing. The final pillar is availability, the assurance that systems and data are accessible to authorized users exactly when they are requested. Consider the scale of public transit infrastructure. When millions of users try to book tickets at the same time and the website crashes, the system has failed the availability test. Threat actors often attack this pillar through DDoS, or distributed denial of service. By flooding a server with a massive swarm of fake requests, they overwhelm the system until legitimate users are locked out. But here is the challenge. These 3 pillars often conflict. If you add too many layers of encryption and multi-factor locks to protect data, the system becomes slow and difficult to use. You have to choose a balance based on your mission. In this military command center, operators prioritize confidentiality above all else, using air-gapped networks that sacrifice speed for secrecy. Contrast that with this stock exchange. In high-frequency trading, milliseconds matter. Here, lightning-fast availability is the priority, as any delay in data access could mean millions in losses. Healthcare systems find yet another balance, where the accuracy of a medical record, integrity, outweighs almost every other concern. A security professional's job is to adjust this equilibrium to match the specific needs of the organization. To see how these principles apply in the real world, we can deconstruct the 2013 Target data breach. The attack started with a failure in confidentiality. Hackers stole the credit card numbers of 40 million customers. Next, integrity failed as attackers altered the company's internal databases. Finally, availability was lost. Target took its critical systems offline, paralyzing the business. By the time the investigation closed, the company had lost over $200 million, and the CEO had resigned. All 3 pillars had collapsed. Whether you are investigating a global breach or just writing a password policy, your core responsibility is the same: defending the balance of confidentiality, integrity, and availability.